I want to thank you all so much for 500 subscribers. Honestly, I'm humbled and honored, and I can't thank you guys enough for supporting my channel. My name is Michelle Moreus, and I make art tutorials that are fun, easy, and accessible for everyone. I upload consistently every Thursday, so I would love it if you guys would subscribe and join me on my YouTube journey. To celebrate this milestone of 500 subscribers, I'm going to be drawing 500 in Mylar balloons, and I'm using my brand new Caran d'Ache Luminance pencils. I also want to introduce you to my new Patreon account. Very excited to launch this. I have gone live now, and I would love you to check it out. I'll leave a description in the box below. Patreon is a subscription-based program where you can subscribe for a small monthly fee, and you'll get access to everything in my tutorial library, plus extras. You'll see a lot of things that you see on YouTube, plus more. And I provide you with the sketch outline, I provide you with the materials list, and several reference photos for each project. They're all done in real time with a clear voiceover, so you can draw along with me. So I'd love it if you would check that out. So you always want to start with a good sketch. You want to put in where your highlights are going to be and where your deep shadows are going to be. And then I could start my phase called color mapping. So I start to go in and just represent where each of the colors are going to go and give myself a good light base coat layer with these Caran d'Ache pencils. It's always easier to blend when you have a nice light coat down on the paper, and as you build up each layer, the previous layer will blend together with the pencil that's going on top. So this is a really nice way to do it, and this is how it should be done. Should be done in light layers and many light layers. And you want to keep your pencils sharp so that you're not indenting the paper and you're not ruining the tooth of the paper, so you could put much more detail on top of what you're putting down. So if you're breaking your pencil leads, you know that you are pushing too hard, and you want to maybe hold your hand back on the barrel of the pencil a little bit, which will help you control the pressure. If you want to see the colors that I'm using in this tutorial today, you can go to the beginning of the video where I show you how I'm swatching out my colors that I'm going to use for this project. So you can use the same colors or find something comparable in a Prismacolor or a Polychromos or whatever color pencils that you're using. Doesn't really matter. You can use different colors if you like. I like to mix a lot of different range of colors and tones in my pieces. So you can see I have some sea green colors, some blues, some lighter blues, a little bit of purple. And this just adds a lot more to the realistic nature of this balloon drawing. You want to have a lot of tones in there because in real life you do see a lot of things, a lot of different tones. So I'm just building up slowly and gradually, and I'm going to start increasing the pressure a little bit on my last layers of this. And what that does is that's going to burnish what's underneath it. So it's going to smush all those colors together and blend everything really beautifully, and this is going to start to look really shiny. Now the thing I want to stress here is that you really want to push your values. So you want your dark shadows to be dark enough and your lights to be light enough. So you really want to keep going. Don't stop too soon. Keep pushing the values, and you'll just keep getting a more and more realistic looking drawing. So you'll see I keep going over it and adding more and more layers, and it's going to get real shiny and smooth looking, and this is going to give you that real hyper realistic look that we're going for. If you're just starting out, I'm going to put a card in the upper right hand corner of how to blend color pencils. And you can also check out my intro to color pencil parrot drawing as well, and I'll leave those in the description box below so you can check those videos out, and it might help you along your journey into doing this drawing with a little bit more information on hand. It would mean the world to me if you guys would subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment below I subscribed, and I'll be sure to get back to each and every one of you. I love hearing from you guys. It makes me feel closer to my audience, and I love hearing your suggestions, comments, whatever. I do get back to everybody, so please leave me a comment below, and don't forget to click the like button. Thanks so much. So I started my YouTube journey in November of 2020. So we're just a little, about 8 months in now. I never dreamed that it would be this difficult to make some progress in this platform. I'm just spending so much time working on all of these tutorials. If you're not a creator, you have no idea how much goes into all of these projects, between the making of the art, the editing, the voiceovers, the thumbnails, the back end of the descriptions and the SEO. There's a lot of stuff that goes into this process. I'm really enjoying what I'm doing, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. I plan on being here for the long haul. So you'll see lots more from me. I try to keep my content fresh and fun, and I'm always open to suggestions. If you guys want to request a certain video topic, I'd be happy to explore it and get it done for you. So please leave me a comment in the comment sections below. And if you're another creator, I'd love to maybe do a collaboration with you guys. So leave me some messages, and let's see if we can't have some fun doing some collabs. Again, I want to thank you guys so much. I'm so humbled for 500 subscribers. So thankful for you guys. And I just want to wish you happy art.